welcomes to your favorite ShreeDevi classes YouTube channel where we inculcate interest and confidence in science and engineering education. In our senior secondary physics playlist, we provide you learning video in both English and Hindi language. These learning lessons are very relevant to both central board and state board examination preparation. In this video, we'll explain the subject theory in good depth and will build the subject core concept and help you in improving scores in both board as well as any competition exam. Our learning videos are very useful for students who are preparing for JEE main or advanced or medical NEET exam. Now this academic work of physics will enhance your confidence level and subject competency. Will make your physics learning both simple as well as attractive. It will remove all your confusions and provide you the right knowledge as well as required skill for question solving. Initially, it might take a little more time, but soon these efforts will pay you return and you will find them very valuable and reliable for your exam preparations. And join our channel membership and enjoy learning.